boys, after doing part A, we will move toward part B, that is 8 centimeters. And I have told you 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters. So you will do this sum as the sum I have done above. I am leaving this sum on you, and it is very easy, boys. Trust me, you have to do this sum, and after doing this sum, you will enjoy it and you will ask for more sums and try it. After doing part B, boys, we will move toward part C, that is 18 centimeter 5 millimeter. I always told you whenever we are starting a new page and one page will end, we have to write the CW. And I have seen in copy checking, some boys have not written CW on every page. So please do it. In this sum, you can see one quantity is in centimeter and the other is in millimeter. So we don't have to change it. We only have to change this one into millimeter. I will write 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. Then 18 centimeters will have 18 multiplied by 10 millimeters, and it will be 18 tens are 180 millimeters. 180 millimeters. It is only the answer of this. So we have to add this. I will write the sum as it is. 18 centimeters 5 millimeters, and I will write under 18 centimeter it is now 180 millimeters, and this 5 millimeters will get added in it to give the answer correctly. So 180 plus 5 is 185 millimeters, boys. 185 millimeters. Okay. After doing question number 6, we will move toward question number 7, that is convert the followings. It is we have to convert the kilometers into centimeters. But we all know kilometer is first converted into meters and then into centimeters. So let me write it, boys. To convert kilometers into centimeters, we know 1 kilometer has 1000 meters. Okay, and 1 meter has 100 centimeters. Okay, so it means we have to multiply 400 with 1000 and 100 to convert it into centimeters. So now what it will be, boys, I will write 400 kilometers, and it will be 400 multiply this 1000. First we have to convert it into meters, and then this 100 to convert it into finally centimeters. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros will get added with 400. Okay, let me write the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this one is 4. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 40 million. It is 40 million centimeters. I can write my answer in the above blank, 40 million. And we all know in the international place value system, we have to skip the space after 3 digits. The commas are now not used. Okay. Now we will move toward our next part. Our next sum, boys, is 55 meters into millimeter. So in the solution, we will first write 1 meter has 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters. So what we are going to do in the solution, 55 multiply by 100, then multiply by 10. I am not solving this sum. I will leave this sum on you. Please do it and write the answer. Part C is, boys, we have to turn the 91 kilometer into millimeter. The biggest one into the smallest one. As we all know, we have to write in the solution 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters and 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. and 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. It means 91 will be multiplied by 1000, multiplied by 100, multiplied by 10. Totally 6 zeros. 3 zeros here, 2 here and 1 here. 6 zeros will get added in 91 on the right hand side. So let me do it. 91 kilometer will be 91. First we have to convert it into meters. So I will write 1000 for meters, then into centimeter for 100, and then at the last in the smallest unit in millimeter 10. So I have to add this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros after 91. It will be 91 million millimeters. In 91 kilometer there are 91 million millimeters. Okay, here also I have to write millimeters. And now I will fill the above blank, and it will be 91 space 3 zeros space 3 zeros millimeters. Your classwork for today is voice activity. Question number 5, question number 6 and question number 7 of page number 115 on copy. Your homework is you have to do practice of question number 5 and question number 6. Part ABC of question number 5, part ABC of question number 6. Okay. Of page number 115 on copy. Boys, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. I wish you a very happy winter vacation. Do not forget to do winter work neatly.